right, welcome to the Friendly Frog Treehouse. It's story hour. Yay! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a seat, my friends. All right, today we're going to read a story, and Merry Christmas. This story is called Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. This is Pete the Cat. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This is the spine of the book. You remember what the spine does? It holds all the pages. Is this a good spine? Yeah, it is a good spine, boys and girls. That means we're being safe, responsible, and respectful to our books. The book is written by Eric Litwin. He wrote the words. The illustrator is James Dean. He drew the pictures. Yeah, so let's take a book walk. Are you ready? What color is this page, boys and girls? It's green. Yeah, Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. He looks excited. I can't wait to see. Help me turn the page. Pete the Cat has eaten cookies. Did you leave cookies out for your mom and dad? Help me turn the page. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Oh, poor Santa. Help me turn the page. Achoo! Oh, bless you, Santa. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Whoa, we gotta call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. Do you think he's gonna do it? Yeah, I think he is too. Yay! I'll do it, said Pete the Cat. Yeah! Yay! Way to go, Pete the Cat! And although I am small at Christmas, we give, so I'll give it my all. Small and all rhyme, boys and girls. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas time, we give it our all. So give it your all. Boys and girls, that's so nice of Pete the Cat to give it his all. Help me turn the page. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. First stop, the North Pole. Road trip, cried Pete. Boys and girls, do you think that's funny that Pete the Cat said road trip? Help me turn the page. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Wow, they're helping out. Way to be responsible. Help me turn the page. Then the minibus flew just like in a movie. Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy!" Help me turn the page. I can do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas time, we give it our all. So you give it your all. Help me turn the page. As the children were sleeping all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Ooh, boys and girls, did you hear that? Pete the cat, he appeared overhead when the boys and girls are sleeping. Oh my goodness. That is awesome, boys and girls. Look at what they're doing. Do you see what they're doing? Help me turn the page. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a flash, then came back in his minibus quick as a flash. Yeah, boys and girls, that rhymes, right? Flash and dash rhyme. You boys and girls are so smart. Kiss your brain. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on a list. You hear Pete the cat scratching off those names, boys and girls? Yeah, he's scratching off all those names of the boys and girls that are being responsible and sleeping. Help me turn the page. Thank you, boys and girls, for helping me. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small. Oh, boys and girls, did you hear that? Boys and girls, where in the world was the boys and girls? Boys and girls, hello, are you out there, boys and girls? Boys and girls, are you out there? Boys and girls. Oh, you're sleeping. Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas time, we give it our all. So give it your all. Wow, look at the long Christmas list of boys and girls that are sleeping. I see Michael and Jacob and Madison too, Matthew and Piper and Emily too, Savannah, Sophia and John and Janet. You guys are sleeping so well, so don't panic. You'll get your toys. Help me turn the page. Wow, I had to do it by myself. You guys are all sleeping. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. He didn't even wake up the sleeping family. Shh. Help me turn. Then, right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Wow, I gotta turn my own pages. The boys and girls are sleeping. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Do you see them, boys and girls? Do you see the Santa? Do you see the people? Whoa, they're all celebrating, boys and girls. They're so happy that Pete is back and he delivered all the presents. Way to go, Pete the cat. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the cat. Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the cat. Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete the cat." I did it, said Pete. And although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas time, we give it our all. Wow, boys and girls, what a nice story. Did you enjoy that story, my friends? You did? Are you sure? Can I get a thumbs up, boys and girls, if you enjoyed the story? Yeah? Let me see your thumb. Oh, I see your thumb. Oh, yeah, there's my thumb. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the story. Well, thank you so much for coming to the treehouse with me. I appreciate you coming. I'm so happy that I was able to share the story with you. All right, my friends, we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye. Give it your all.